How to connect PS2 controller to PC. In this video, I'll show you how to connect PS2 controller to PC. So the first thing that you'll need would be a PS2 to USB adapter. It is available online for cheap price, your PS2 controller, and a Windows PC. Now, once you have these things, you can go ahead and proceed with the first step. To get started, go ahead and plug the PS2 controller into the adapter. Connect the adapter to your PC via USB and then wait for Windows to detect the device. Most adapters are plug and play. Now after that, test the controllers. So go ahead and head over to the control panel. On the control panel, click on devices and printers and then click on game controller settings. Select your controller and then click on properties to test buttons and sticks. Pro tips: PS2 controllers don't support native X input used by Xbox controllers, so some games may not recognize them. Use software like DS4 Windows or Joy 2 Key to remap buttons for compatibility. And for emulators like PCSX2, you can configure the controller directly in the emulator settings. And that is how you can basically connect PS2 controller to PC.